Salam and welcome back to another very exciting video. Today's video may not be that exciting, but I thought why not share with you guys the subscribe button that I've been using, the subscribe animation button, the animation subscribe button or whatever that I've been using in my videos. So yeah, I'll be uploading this video without the background so that you guys can use it on your own videos, and I will be leaving the link to the download button on the description, and I will also be uploading the AEP file, the After Effects file, so that you guys can check it out. And in case if you want to maybe change some of these stuff, maybe like write your name or something, I don't know, just do whatever you want. I made this subscribe button animation from scratch so that you guys can use it anywhere. No copyright issues will be there. And yeah, this is made from scratch except for this hand, of course. But this hand footage is also a free video, so you don't have to worry about that. And in return, I would like you all to subscribe to my channel. I make design videos all day long, and there are tons of tutorials that you can learn: Photoshop, Illustrator, XD, UI designing, logo designing, After Effects. Yeah, a lot of stuff that you can learn from this channel. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. With that said, I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, salam.